Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Step 1 brand 43-inch garment bag 6-pack. So this is going to be a garment bag for a suit, a blazer, really shirts, whatever you want to use. We're going to open it up, show you what the fabric looks like, show you how it works, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so these come pretty nicely put together here. It's like a gift wrap, if you will, almost. So you'll just want to get them opened up, unpacked. And what I really just wanted to point out here before I kind of showcase them any further is that it is a 6-pack. So this looks like it is a simple thank you bar that kind of just keeps them from bending up any further or anything like that in shipping. All right, so just want to show you, again, the length, which is great. It's got 2 windows, we'll call that, so that you can kind of see what you're working with. Sorry, I'm trying to do the one-handed unzippering here, and so you'll have simple hand there. I want to show you kind of material here. Nice opening here at the top for your hanger to go through, and then of course space, at the bottom. So if you needed to put, kind of shoes with a sport coat or suit or anything like that. The back, same, just good vinyl material. So let's go ahead, and again, I got 6 of them because I use a lot of sport coats, quite frankly, and it's good to store them because I don't wear them every day, and it's nice, if you get dust in your house or anything, to keep them well maintained and covered. So it's important for me to be able to quickly see, kind of what color is what, and patterns and whatnot. So let's show you what it looks like in with this jacket in it. All right, so as you can see, this came straight from the dry cleaners, frankly. So able to kind of just put this away. I want to show you again that there's room at the bottom to put shoes with this. A lot of space. My suit coat comes to about here, so a very nice, easy to identify, sport coat that again will be easy to hang and store, and again, just be able to kind of, as they go sideways, be able to quickly see and identify kind of what the color is. So totally worth it to me. Hopefully you found some value in this video and understand what you're getting and how they look. So thanks for watching.